Hi, welcome to Laurasfundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this garden party hat from a cookie box. Okay, so you get a pretty big cookie box, and I picked out this other this broad hat, and you're just going to trace the bottom part of the hat onto the box and the top part of the hat onto part of the box and cut it out. Then you're going to take the top part of the hat and put it in the center of the bottom brim of the hat, and you're going to trace that, and that will be where you're going to cut a hole, but you're not going to follow the line that you just traced. You're going to go about an inch away from that line on the inside, cut a huge hole, and then cut slits up to that line. This will make the hole for the hat. Okay, then you're going to cut about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches strip that will wrap around this hole and fit the top part of the hat and the bottom part of the hole. Tape that together, that strip together, and voila, you've got the base part of the hat. Now we just need to cover it up with fabric. Okay, I really like this bright pink, kind of shiny, sheery, tulle-like fabric. And I wanted to add some pleats. So you just add some pleats and hot glue it down. Doesn't have to be perfect. And of course it wasn't long enough, so I had to add another piece, which is just fine. Just add more pleats. Then you're going to wrap the raw edges over to the top part of the hat and hot glue those things down. And you're going to hot glue the center as well on the inside of the center of the board. Okay, now I just traced 2 circles of this kind of lighter pink silk, and I realized that you can still see the design of the box with the fabric that I got. So I'm gonna have to add 2 silk layered fabric circles plus the sheer pink to hide the design of the box. So you're just gonna cut out some pieces, extra sheer pink pieces, hot glue that down. Then you're gonna take the first layer of silky piece and you're gonna really hot glue that down to the top part of brim. Cut out the circle, of course, and also slits to match the hole. Then you're gonna add the top part and just glue the outer edge of the hat and the inner circle, so you don't see any glue spots. Then you're gonna get this nice trim that matches the light pink, and you're just gonna hot glue that all the way around the outer brim of the hat. This will hide all the raw edges and finish the brim off. Okay, so now you're going to wrap the 2 to 3 inch crown of the hat with the with the silky pink light fabric and hot glue it inside. Then you're going to do the same. You're just going to cut out a larger circle than the top part of the hat and hot glue that down. I also had to do 2 layers so that the decorative design of the box didn't show. Okay, so you're gonna hot glue the crown part to the circle part of the brim, hot glue that all down. Then the top part of the hat, you're going to hand stitch to the crown part, the top part of the crown part. Then to add more color, you're going to cut out a strip of the hot pink sheer fabric and wrap it around the crown part. Tuck it under and hot glue that to it. Then all have to do is add the decorative parts. Big flowers, small flowers, maybe some feathers, hot glue it, and voila! You are done! I am super excited about this party. I've got my outfit all picked out. I'm going to wear a white shirt with, of course, a striped skirt with all the different hot pinks and light pinks in it. I'm so fancy. Look at how fancy I am. I am ready for a garden party. Except I gotta do my makeup and my hair. But other than that, I'm ready. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, so please get me past that mark so I can actually start making some moolah and get monetized.